A friend of mine added an LED strip to his daughter's toy kitchen. Simple but very cool. So naturally, I had to top it. Introducing the Touchless Toy Kitchen Light. The concept is simple. An infrared LED and a phototransistor are pointing the same way. If I put my hand close, the infrared LED will light up my hand and the phototransistor detects it. That creates a signal for the Arduino to detect. And with some simple code, I'll make the Arduino turn on the LED strip via the transistor every time a hand comes near the sensor. To plan out my layout, I used circuit canvas. Then I used that as a reference while soldering up the circuit. For the infrared LED and the phototransistor, I 3D printed a part to hold them in place. I hooked it all up and then voila! Touchless toy kitchen light.